Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fill up ArriveCAN when you enter Canada on compassionate grounds after you get an authorization from PHAC. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this ArriveCAN app. So if you are coming by air, click entry by air. Now there have been some changes in the app. As you see, mandatory travel requirements message, and it says that what testing you need to be doing it, and you got to acknowledge it. It asks if you have been tested positive between 40 and 90 days before the scheduled departure of your flight into Canada, because in that case some steps are not gonna be applied to you. But if not, click on no. Again, it's gonna give you the more details about what you have to do. Then click on I acknowledge. Now here you have an option compassionate ground, so you can click here, go to next. Here you need to enter the airport through which you are coming in. So let's say you're coming through Toronto Pearson, so I'll enter that. As of now, there are only 4 international airports in Canada serving international travel. Airline, let's say you're coming by Air Canada. Let's say you're coming by AC043, the direct flight between New Delhi and Toronto. Let's say you're coming on 30th, and this flight lands at 5:30 a.m. Here you can register your passport. Let's say it was issued in India. Document number, so I'll put just sample passport number. Let's say your name is John Smith. Date of birth. Okay. Next. Now, those traveling together must quarantine the same location for the duration of their quarantine, including staying at the same government-approved hotel. So this clarifies a lot of doubts. So if you have more people traveling, click on add new traveler, and then you do. In the next stage, it asks for your contact details like your primary phone number, email account, and all, and also like your booking reference number. And once it is once the hotel quarantine is over, you are to quarantine for the remaining days at a different place. So it's going to take that details also, and there'll be a questionnaire where you have to answer the COVID-19 questionnaire. So I have already shown you that in a different video, so I'm not going to do that here, but I'm going to include the link in the description that you can watch. Thanks for watching, guys.